Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own website. This is one of my website on how to make a keypad locker using Arduino. So in this I've had a YouTube tutorial like here, which I and with the video here, you can just set it. Then here I've had for going to my channel, I'll just open it in a new tab. Here it comes to my channel. And when you click on this origami idea, this is another my site, like origami ideas, like how to make a nunchuck, flexagon, pull card, ninja star, paper sword, and another type of ninja star. So this is my second website. Okay, I've had an image over here for the diagram of the program or the Arduino project, and this is the code for the project. I just use a text box to make it. So now I'll show you how to do it. Go to a new tab, click the apps over here, click on the Google Drive. You can see it over here. And then select new, go to more, and just select Google Sites. Take a new tab. Here you can write the title. So I'll just write VIDE video test. I'll just align it at the center and just do that. And you can select the themes and all. Go to themes. You can use impression or level. I think I'll take impression. Then insert, you can insert a YouTube video. Just write the URL. So I'll just write URL like how to make a mask. I'll try the URL of this. Just copy the URL, Control C, and then come back over here. Click on YouTube, Control V, search. Click on this, select. The box comes here. And you can add buttons and documents, sheets, sliders, forms, charts and all. You can also add a map for your location and all. And these all things are there. You can change the layout, or you can just add multiple things if you want to add image, big image and small image. I'll just delete it. You can add more pages, just click on add and name the page. And once you're done, you can just publish it. If you want to see it, how does it look, you can click on the preview over here. Check. So you can see this is the preview test. Click on this. You can see it, it's going on. So yeah. And an old this is my video. You can, if you want to exit the preview, click on exit preview over here. So this is the video how to make your own website. Thanks for watching this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.